What do you got over there? A cookie?
Yeah.
Who ate that cookie?
Santa eat that cookie.
Santa ate that cookie?
Yeah.
Did he drink his milk?
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe, yeah. Let's see. Oh, he drank all the milk?
Yeah.
Wow. That's good. Are you happy?
Yeah.
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 I'm glad Santa came to visit you.
Yeah. No, Santa bring Daddy.
Oh, he brought this train set for you?
Yeah, Dad.
That's nice of him.
No, big one.
Wow.
No, Santa bring Daddy.